This is a screencast for explaining the image application activity. So what we're going to start is explaining a little bit about the interface. So what you're going to do first is you're going to create the interface. So let me just give you a quick preview of what this looks like. The interface is going to have a section for a large image, like a medium-sized image, and then you'll have a section down through here with different images numbering 1 through 5. Now I've provided some images for you to use. They're in this file folder here, and you can see that they're numbered and they're at different sizes. There's also some backgrounds and some custom buttons, and we'll talk about each one of those things in just a moment. So the first thing you want to do is build the interface. The next thing you want to do is set up the disjointed rollovers. The disjointed rollovers means when I roll over this number 1, this section that says default will change. So I roll over and this section changes. I roll over 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next thing you want to do is hook up Lightbox. Now what Lightbox does is it allows you a really nice interface to see lots of images in succession. So when I click on one, the Lightbox will initialize, and the screen will go sort of 80% black in the background. I'll get my image in a larger version will come up. I'll see a caption and it will number what my images are. I can click next and it'll take me to the next one, so on and so forth. And as I had mentioned, you want to set up your titles and you want to make sure that this is set up for a sequence. Now the last thing you want to do is you want to customize the Lightbox so that it has a unique presentation, so that it doesn't look just default. And what you can do is you can set in a background image, you can set in customized next and back buttons, and you can even change the opacity at which the background image comes in. So here's an example of a customized Lightbox. There's a custom background. There are custom next and previous buttons that are branded to however this background feels. So that's what you want to do for this particular activity. You want to create the interface, create the disjointed rollovers, hook up the Lightbox, set up the sequence and the titles, and then customize Lightbox so that it looks unique to your specific website.